SLIMFLEX insulated flexible liner is shipped in dispensing boxes of 25-metre coils. Cut the outer straps securing the dispensing box lid and remove the lid. Cut the 3 inner support straps holding the flex in place to allow it to rotate freely. Cut out the pre-marked dotted line on the side of the box to access the flexible flue, then unwind to the desired length. Measure the desired length and mark the spot where the cut should be made. Cut the outer sleeve and roll it back. Remove the insulation from the cutting area. You can now cut the flex. Remove any plastic straps and cut off the excess outer sleeve at the end through which the flue will be pulled. Fold back the outer sleeve by around 150 mm and remove the insulation from this portion of the flex. Deburr the end of the stainless steel flue. An arrow indicating the direction of smoke flow is marked on the stainless steel flex every 15 cm. This marking will help us position the GRIPFLEX on the end where the flexible flue will be inserted into the chimney. Extend the outer sleeve back over the flex. Position the GRIPFLEX belt and tighten by threading the tab through the notch and folding it back 180 degrees. Pull the outer sleeve over the belt and slide the GRIPFLEX safety collar over the assembly so that it sits in the grooves of the belt. Lock the safety collar in place using the lever and its safety pin. Place the GRIPFLEX bullet head guide over the assembly and tighten with an Allen key. Finally, fold the 3 tabs of the bullet head guide inwards by 135 degrees. At the other end of the SLIMFLEX, install the tightening collar and ensure that it is securely fastened. The sleeve and insulation should remain in place and not be able to slip out of the collar when pulled. You can now proceed with lining the masonry chimney.